10 benefits of baking soda for hair, skin, and body. Though you may not know it, baking soda can be great for your hair, skin, and body. In fact, baking soda can help you look your best from head to toe. And the best part is that it can be found right in your house. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, looks like a crystal in its natural form, but is usually found as a fine powder. It helps kill bacteria and fungi, clean out germs, and stop swelling. It is also great for fighting any disease from colds to oral problems and skin issues. Baking soda is helpful when used for a short time, but if you use it too much, it can harm your skin and hair. Also, test it out on a little piece of skin before you use it to check if your skin is easily hurt by it. Here are some ways you can use baking soda to help your hair, skin, and body. 1. Fights acne and pimples. You don't need to use chemicals to get rid of acne and pimples. Baking soda can do that for you easily. Because baking soda cleans germs and stops swelling, it can take away the signs of acne and other breakouts and treat the cause for them at the same time. Baking soda also helps the skin's acid level and helps stop skin from breaking out again. 1. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a little warm water to make a paste. 2. Put it on the area of skin for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Wash it off with cold water. 4. Do this once a day for 2 to 3 days, and then continue doing it only 1 or 2 times a week. 2. Brightens yellow teeth. Baking soda is great for making your teeth shine. Because it's slightly rough, it takes away the yellow stain from your teeth. It also helps get rid of plaque by fighting the acid from this bacteria. Just put a little baking soda on your toothbrush together with your regular toothpaste. Brush your teeth like usual for 2 minutes. Do it once a day for a few days. Make sure not to use too much baking soda because it will take the protective enamel covering off your teeth. 3. Relieves sunburns and sunburn blisters. It's a great idea to keep a box of baking soda nearby during the summer. Because of its alkaline nature, baking soda is great for soothing sunburns and will help stop the burning and itching. It can also help sunburn blisters dry out quickly. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons baking soda in a cup of cold water. Soak a clean washcloth in the mixture and then squeeze out extra water. Put the washcloth on the sunburn for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this 2 or 3 times a day until it feels better. 4. Improves skin complexion. Uneven skin tone is a problem for a lot of people. If you are looking for a cheap, easy way to make the skin bright with an even tone, try baking soda. Baking soda will help clean out dead skin cells. It will also even out the acid level of the skin, which is important for even and clear skin. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with enough filtered or rose water to make a paste. Put the paste on your face. Let it sit for 1 minute, and then carefully rub it off using only the tips of your fingers. Then, wash your face with lukewarm water and pat dry to show brighter skin. Do this only 1 or 2 times a week. Make sure to moisturize your skin after using baking soda. 5. Treats body odor. Baking soda can get rid of even very bad body odor. It is one of the most natural ways to remove bad smells. It helps catch sweat from the skin and kill the bacteria that make the body smell. Mix 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water and a few drops of any essential oil. Use a cotton ball to rub it on your underarms or any area where you sweat a lot. Use it all the time to fight body odor. 6. Removes dandruff. It may be hard to get rid of dandruff, especially in the winter, but it can be done. If you take good care of your hair, you can easily get rid of dandruff. Baking soda is one way you can get rid of the white flakes on your scalp and hair. It cleans the scalp and helps clear out flakes. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and rub it onto your wet hair and scalp. Leave it in for a minute and then wash it out very well with water. Do this only once a week. 7. Treat smelly and oily hair. It's very embarrassing to have smelly hair, and people with oily hair are more likely to have this problem. Oily hair picks up things in the air and strong smells more quickly. A good way to fix this problem is with baking soda. It lowers the oiliness and fights bad smells. Mix 1 part baking soda with 3 parts water. Put it on your damp hair, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then wash it out of your hair. Do this 1 to 2 times a month.